In what could prove to be a landmark judgment, the Supreme Court said today that no one could be allowed to seek votes on religious or caste grounds. A majority ruling by a 7-member constitution bench said that religion has no role in the electoral process and that if a candidate elected after using a religious appeal, then he or she can be disqualified. But the bench was split over this ruling, which went ahead finally by a margin of 4-3.
In its landmark judgment today, the Supreme Court has said that those who seek votes in the name of religion or caste will be disqualified. The disqualification will happen if the candidate is elected. Just ahead of polls in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and 3 other states, the Supreme Court's ruling could have a huge impact. A majority in the 7-judge constitution bench led by outgoing Chief Justice T.S. Thakur said, religion has no role in the electoral process. Relationship between man and God is an individual choice. An election is a secular exercise. However, 3 judges dissented, saying the judiciary can't redraft the law. Talking of religion amounts to debate. Spirit of discussion, debate and dialogue sustains democracy. To prohibit a person from speaking legitimate concerns reduces democracy to abstraction.
There is a law of the land which says that you can't appeal to voters in the name of your religion or caste or community. There was an increasing tendency to violate this law in letter and spirit. I'm sure this judgment will put an end to that tendency.
Ironically, all political parties welcomed the verdict.
The Supreme Court judgment will have a greater impact on the polity of the nation.
People should seek vote on secular issues such as development, such as other issues affecting the country. And we fully accept the Supreme Court's verdict.
This question should have been best directed at the Bharatiya Janata Party. Because unki daadi mein kai tinke hain. It reaffirms the fundamental values on which this nation was cast by the founders of the Indian Constitution.
Interestingly, top court's 1995 judgment terming Hindutva a way of life still holds, as today's verdict didn't go into this issue.
The country's top court's intent is to keep the political process clean, but it may lead to practical hurdles leading to more litigations and misuse by political rivals. With Isha Dhrita in New Delhi, this is Arunachalam Vaidyanathan, NDTV.